you, I reset. When with you, I reset.
Hiya. So we are in a Mark 6 Volkswagen Golf 2-litre TDI, and we've just carried out a service. So now I want to reset the service interval. So if we press this button here, and then we can see on the screen that we can scroll down through all sorts of stuff, and then we go to service interval, like so, and then we click on the info, we can see that it is due in that many miles. But we've just done it, so let's go back into that, clicked on the wrong button, scroll back down to service interval and click reset. Do you want to reset? I do. Service reset. So now, if we click on the service interval again, it should be reset, as we can see. Now there is another way to do this, which involves this button and this button here. So what we do is we have the car turned off to start with, and I'm not going to be able to do this because, well, I can't quite reach the key and the button at the same time. But we hold that button in, and then whilst it's held in, we turn the ignition on, and then you let go of the button, and then after you've done that, you press this other button within 20 seconds, and that should also reset it. Anyway, that's off this one. See you, bye.